That's off by a centimeter or two. It's not real. You lost in that
Where's your boss?
Who are you? What's that to you?
Hey, everybody, hands up! Hands up!
Jen. Shit. I'm gonna go home with you. I
think we should stop dealing men.
But I say a deal magic to it as Zay was also not out.
Yeah, drug deal. I think we should stop drug dealing, Baba. One until one and over Kanyanya.
Just what I'm many of it.
I see a material. I think that's a gamma material is no fire.
Marajo and attendant of it.
I think what this is stuff at Tina. I think stuff to change and the trade because I to pin a business.
Sure, that was it. I'm a deal mining foot. I don't know what made of
in the Gambos was a good batchy or store and yes, to not treat us.
Or don't it has opinion.
Yeah, Chinese have a phone. Hey, hello Tyrese, what's up, man?
Yo, Massive.
What's up, man?
Yeah, you got the cock?
Got the cash?
Yeah, I have your money.
Okay, man, I will prepare your stuff.
Alright, cool. You just tell me when it's all said and done. You got the rendezvous, you tell me.
Emun. Arga ni lo cottage.
Ba cottage.
Thanks.
Irbo. Men bo na movie yangu.
You know you ready, Rasta man say. Say you're not business, not cocaine down there. You know you ready, Rasta man say. Say you're not business, not cocaine down there. The cocaine, I get them off. Get them soft, get them soft. The cocaine, I get them off. Get them soft, get them soft. You say the cocaine, I get them off. Get them soft, get them soft. The cocaine, I get them off. Get them soft. As them start to sleep.
Chama, uchikuona movie rako reri?
Nchipa movie chama, hey?
Kaka seko ka movie kasingapira.
Kaka haipa. Sadhirira kama movie kwa America.
Movie ripi wewe?
Andiri muzo kwa America. Akuse. Waurupeka?
Tupike kitweka tuzoe pass.
Akupeka ndo zimochinja chinja. Anashamba vinitseme.
Poni meskida rangu.
Watching it.
Ipo yeti yangu.
Eje. Yeti mtu. Abo.
Sipe madira. Ati mot karine fiwe wanti?
Zvese zviripo.
Saka bro.
Makiuno kudraw min.
Ama nasa siku driver, ndo driver.
Ndo driver.
Kabo.
The cocaine, I get them off. Get them soft, get them soft. The cocaine, I get them off. Get them soft, get them soft. Mama walk through the water and try to send you to school. So you can learn the golden rule, and when you take a stack, you get back at school a rule. The cocaine, I get them off.
Stuff you guys. Kingi demand ya chanyanyisa mungu.
Kaipa. Andori mawani shama.
Apa ndizutega tikusupply nyika muno munini. Totofana kuimporta nesiri mamasini kana diri kafaya.
Leo pesa kwacho ruta zedzirembeswa.
Apa titaurago tofana kuti adirire manje ndisiyana nemasina.
Zvamaine zvitorese.
Kuchidhura chacho wazoita se ndicho chirimo.
Pachakada kufurika picha na hizi.
Chakabo.
Saka make sure bro.
Tozunguona chichodhura nechisini.
Sure bro. Ngachigara chirimo. Mero pane kama kakapengwa.
What stuff? Grade ndere kumbiri.
Vakapenga manje.
Grade ndere kumbiri.
Na mafesa makarata yakafutaura.
Airakanyanya irofana kudhura passport.
Achanoripa mainjeda.
Saka teta sei paskiri tofana kuenda kane munhu echitiri undercover.
Furashura mpana viki.
Yeah, chimpana viki chinechi. Chinechi. Makiyeji apa. Saka nini vandakuita ka. Usava chichinja because hembe wakapfeka hite kumatiri. Padai hembe imesiri yechijeni kuti dzakanyanya.
Anacharisa zvakafonera.
Atairisa asati tozomuponyera tasvika ikoko. Saka wadzine TV kausazokangana. Kawana.
La 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 la. My name is Roberto Amarula. Oh, have you seen my Amarula? So sweet and fine like Amarula. She comes in the morning, Amarula. Still have her in my night time. Gives me hangover, Amarula. But I don't care, no. So smooth and clean like Amarula. Don't ever touch my Amarula.
Nice one. So I think we need to call him. It's okay, kana toso mfendera tadzoro kwatira kuenda so ngatimbotanzwe program yakamira sei. Ati what we say gonna say?
Totonza mabhibuta huko.
So just what the plan Twitter say?
Achitaka premises we going
Chai, pane ka situation kata pesa. We need to go to bank to collect our money just for 2 minutes. So tsoka 2 minutes.
Watanga.
Sure.
Just amagaita till last time.
No. So far 2 minutes. Just wait for us. 2 minutes, guys.
Let somebody go crazy.
So boring. It's actually not so cool. I should talk to last time. I'm so exhausted. I'm just so bored.
Make the people say you and I don't come from earth. No. know. Yes, I be a sugar daddy, and she don't want nobody but me. You like it when I go crazy. You I can never.
Cocaine, I get them off, get them soft, get them soft. The cocaine, I get them off, get them soft, get them soft. The cocaine, I get them off, get them soft.
Sisego chimdara.
Bomba nami.
Majira yame nasego nasi.
Ezishi bomba nami waera kweli lipo.
Shiwere mdara.
Ayo apologize.
Vikika. Watanga. Bako baudama mamino hapo.
Wonder what exactly you said in part the youth. What them to think about you? The cocaine, I get them off, get them soft, get them soft.
Hi, Mom.
Hi, how are you?
I'm fine. Mom, I've decided to leave home.
Where do you want to go?
Anyway, I was back here. You tell me not to deal in what I deal. This is where I'm getting the money from. So I've just decided to leave home.
Where are you getting the money?
The drugs that I do in, Mom. You know about everything.
I don't want drugs dealer here.
Mom, we don't smoke the drugs. We
Me-
just sell them so that we can get the money.
I don't want to hear about it. Already you have been spoiling Sean, your little brother.
Mom, all this is just so that we can get the money.
No. I don't want to hear about that.
So here's some money, Mom. I think I'm leaving home. We can just...
I
get
don't want
back
your
with
money.
it. No, Mom, I think I have to leave home.
You better go. If you want to go, you have decided that's your choice. You go.
Mom, you refuse for me to do all these drugs that I do.
It's better you go, my son.
I'll just be
Already
safe.
you have been spoiling your little brother.
Mom, I'll just be selling the drugs. We don't smoke them.
I don't like that. I told you already. I don't like that.
That's where we're getting the money from.
No. That is what I don't want to hear. It's better you go.
I think I have to leave home.
You go.
Here's some money. Just
No, I don't want your money.
Bye.
I don't want your money. I've got my money. I don't want your money.
So, Mom, don't sell Dad's car, okay?
If I decide to sell, like you've decided to go, if I decide to sell the car, I will sell it. It belongs to me. It's mine.
I think I have to leave now.
You better go. You better go, my son. Bye. Mwananti neta. Kuba pafa baba wake. Golera fa baba wake ndatambula ndashira zvikuti. Aya. Zvakaoma.
Come here. Kumupinda ndipi kwa?
Mbobata kabasa nasi weekend.
Kuchitonore here mfana wangu.
Ndakazvitirwe.
Aiwa, iya pfeka juice. Roti rwadira kokarwara manje mari kurapisa inobva kuti. Zvinhu zvikunetsa padino. Pfeka juice. Awoni. Kuinzwa. Nditadzorana naMomza. Momza kuramba mari yangu. She's saying I'm not living a straight life. So I'm just going to go, man. I'm just going to take my leave, bro. I know, man. I'll be coming back to check on you, bro. Don't worry. Anything you need, Sean, you alert me. I got your back, man. I'll be there for you. I got you, bro. Don't worry. But who owns the cost of thinking some more time, Tara? I'll be coming back, bro. Don't worry. Don't worry, Sean. Don't worry. I'll be there for you, okay? Don't worry, bro. I'm just going to look for money. Anything you need, just highlight me. Don't worry, bro. I'll be there for you. I'm just going to fix stuff, okay? I'll be coming back, bro. I'll be coming back. Don't worry, Sean. I got you. Okay. Don't worry, don't cry, bro. Sean, it's Bago. Upe moms. Ndivapa ndiri nonoiramba anti. Unovatambidza iwe wanti. Muone chekudya padini. Antika, indi yako yangu. Utsvaka mamadzinzi naoniko chingodani. You holler at me, man. I'm going to look for money. Okay. I'll be there for you, bro. You just call me when you need me, okay? Don't worry, I got you. I got you, okay? Money chikuti amtena. I'm going to look for more money, okay? Don't worry. It's all for you, bro. I'm going to look for more. You just holler at me, okay?
Money in the pile. Yeah. Once you get a little, they just wanna take you down, cuz. I got the money in the pile. Yeah. Once you get a little, they just wanna take you down, cuz.
Just checking out your pics.
Wow.
Just last week.
Easy.
Ah,
boy, I see my mix.
Very poor.
Teresa,
Yes, it's around. Go check him in.
Alright.
I'm
being way 2 minutes. Yeah, we just need to fix something. We've been in this game for a long time. Alright.
One day my babe will get into trouble.
Munu wesa anoziva I'm the next one. Dina bifunge koko ndeskirire kwa chante dandan avandi batonge iPhone.
The transfer here, man, is showing us that you give us 25%, but you should have given us 50% of the man. What the thought is all about, man?
No, listen, gentlemen. I'm the big shark around here, man. I get 75%, you get 25%. That's how it's supposed to be.
No, man. It can't.
Man, if you value life, you take your leave now.
Tell him to drop his gun.
Leave him!
Boss, please.
Leave him! I said leave him!
Walk away.
He's just gonna keep
Drop your gun now.
Leave him! Leave him!
Walk away or he dies.
Come on, man.
Okay, let's put the guns down.
Drop it. Nice and slow, man. Nice and slow.
Let's choke like ramen.
There are no real men in this world, there's just me.
Hello, Tyrese. 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 Wake up, Tyrese. Tyrese. What's going on?
Nothing, man. Take a seat. So, how's it, man?
I'm okay. How are you?
I'm okay, man. Ish.
Fine. What's going on?
I mean, I just been thinking of what happened those days, bro. Ish. It's just coming back to haunt me, man.
Hospital my drugs.
No, man. You know me, I just sell them, man. I don't do them, you know. Never get out when you want supply, you know what I'm saying?
Oh, you always everyone.
They're dead, man.
What are they?
You know, those niggas, man, they just wanted to get more than they deserve, you know what I'm saying?
How come you never told me?
I mean, I was just afraid to tell him. I knew you would have told me not to do it, man.
What about this man?
I'm thinking of giving my mom just a little bit for her to get by, you know what I'm saying? Things are not well at home, man.
Okay.
Yeah, that's what I'm thinking, man.
Nah, I just came to check on you. I'm not staying long.
Alright, man, I'm expecting a call. I'll get back to you when this is all said and done, man. I think we have a big deal. This time, we're set for life, man.
Okay, you just keep me updated.
Alright, man.
Cool.
Me make me own cash, me done you down to the devil. You serious dash, let's take the thing to the next level. Gotta put food on me table.
Hi guys,
Yeah.
time is money.
Yeah, man.
I think we need to increase our sales volumes today.
Yeah, true that. But this was, I think, Atina Oga, so far, Tini, about research it, in the Mango 2 I think they're enough. I mean, can I add much of this? She can check. Plus,
But according to the market, I think they are insufficient.
They're insufficient.
We need to get more.
Okay.
The demand is a little bit high.
Guys, I think we need more stuff. Yeah, true that. Goes out need to show more.
You can call Tyrese.
Yeah, that's the point.
Yeah, it's a good idea. Let me call Tyrese.
Yeah.
I think you have to supply it.
It's hard to survive in a Rari. Gotta provide for me family. Every gangster Rasta is searching for green, no ammunition.
Yeah, what's up?
Wagwan Tyrese.
What's up?
Kona sune staff here.
Yeah, I'm expecting the cock today.
Like a staff yangu ndio wana nasiri.
Yeah, I'll have it by today, sir.
So don't disappoint me.
Yeah, of course, man. I'll bring you the items, yeah. Just get my money ready, okay?
Iboga. Let go.
Alright.
Me don't wear me pajamas. Me be searching for money. It's hard to survive in a Rari. Gotta provide for me family. Every gangster Rasta is searching for green, no ammunition.
Oh babe, are you going somewhere?
Yeah, I'm just going to see Sean.
Now.
Yeah, I'll be back. No, I'm coming back. Okay, I will. Bye, babe.
Bye, love.
Coming back, okay?
Okay.
All right. All right, I'll be.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Oh yeah, nice. Hello. Como te diz mulheres? A minha desse membro da diz. Vamos agora no kitchen na autoliga. Wewe sana choi. Abu.
Learn life. It's levels to the shit, young boy. Hey, oh, you feel me? Shit. Yo, little nigga, cause it's levels to the shit. Oh, little nigga, cause it's levels to the shit. Yeah. Oh, Lord, cause it's levels to the shit.
Money in the pile. Once you get a little, they just wanna take you down, cuz. I got the money in the pile. Once you get a little,
Tell me, little bro, how's mom and everyone at home? Man, tell me, what's going on? What about that man I left home? You finished it all, man? Okay, man, I think I have to make a plan, man. You see, man, you know those deals I used to do back in the days, man? Wait, well, let me tell you something. If we do these deals, man, it's $1 million, man. If we do that, man, I give 500,000, man. No, little bro, listen, man. If you do this thing just once and for all, I promise, man. If you do that, I give you 500,000. We do it, man, 50-50. You're my little bro, man. We need to do this for ourselves, man. I promise I got you, man. I'll protect you. Thanks, man.
Jamani, mkuita sei tairisi. Itai faster kabosa kamira mawana ari kuitika kanyanya. Tatenda kubhora kuna dinamo etoripo. Faster because mukadaro patotoona kuda masini tokuchinjira madhiri mukanono. Bo.
Yeah, man.
We're late. Time.
Okay. Okay, man, you need to get going.
Saka jamani matiti topa zvinhu original iri kana kuti mamwaya.
Atwape mafeki.
Mamwaya.
Atwape mafeki.
Amusi kwakwate iri wana.
Aiwa mafeki mdara.
Atwaro ere mafeki.
Hapana tisikagare makagadzirira bosi lokorongo chaye 10 times.
Repigra Rwanda. Wana big.
10 times mafeki. Mama sina yangu yapata emushi.
Mabara boy.
Ayo mabara boy. Aya masina ani marecords pajoza again ayo. Bata emushi. Bata ndari. Dia boss yes. Unonipindisa busy.
Okay.
Ka genga kama kuita sabongora kidzo chine masina. Matsiri ora ita wabunda. Tora mamwa chefe kusazotore madictionary.
Kuyo offer.
Oi nini futi.
makabata chuna apa. Chingoma chakaipa.
Ah, chimwe chatakangoita mai manje na Tobi na Numen Mavu.
Nakura sero na Tobi ya Smafanis.
Panga bana Numen Mavu kuti
baba na chindara Numen Mavu.
Una rebo Numen Mavu.
Saka mana hapana taura.
Wakashibata.
Serious ama. Kuna skuri reja.
Oh, ya phone iri kuri. Anotari ndiye ande blaza mbofona wewe kati modotaro kuti. Hello?
Jadi.
Ndi Jadi muzi.
Wida se, the staff here ngas.
Ya hapana atina utokona ku supplier.
Ya nasanga kuishwa please.
Ya kune ma cables emagetsi.
Ya po.
Ya ibo King Probeto.
Ah, bola ri konda.
Kangwana ngachitara padhuze paseri pagenda. But boys,
ratapa tumudiwa masuicide apa. Isituda mari.
Kana
atotani mari kaona. Kana atani mari umana.
Ona apa taifanira kuenda kwa Tires kunotora mangu masinzi
zata. Tires takutombomusiya because asikufuna wana.
But ndiye anonyeto supply ne good stuff.
Iya ansuramba boys. Ngatiboite situngonongota too much ikawa.
Get a little, they just wanna take you down, cuz we've been going hard for too long. Can't get enough with a shoe on. Really ain't nothing I could drop that. Wake up in the morning, make it all okay. It's nothing to get it poppin', wanna roll.
Trust your people.
Oh man, listen man, I've dealt with these guys a lot of times man. Just straight up deals, you know what I'm saying? But you can never be sure man, people are people man. They can just backstab, you never know man. So we need to be prepared for anything man. Do you have an extra piece?
Of course.
Give my little bro over here. Man, don't be upset man, use it, okay?
Should be serious with this thing. Use your truth. You hear what I'm saying?
Don't worry man, I got you bro. I promise man, nothing bad will come to you man.
It's not gonna...
I won't let them hate you man, understand?
I need to say it.
No man, it's a straight up deal man. We need you on this one man.
No.
It's a 3-man thing man, we can't do it alone man. We need you little bro, remember man, 500,000 man.
Trust him?
All for you man.
Can we trust this guy?
Yeah we can man, he's my little bro man.
Okay, let's go.
Been with him through thick and thin man, he's my little bro man. Okay.
Learn life. There's levels to this shit, young boy. Hey, you feel me? Get the same paper, you and my level to the shit. Yo, low nigga, cause the level to the shit. Oh, low nigga, cause the level to the shit. Yeah, oh, low, cause the level to the shit.
La 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 la.
Wow, you look good in those. Thank you. Oh, you look good, girl.
So for okay, please.
It's hot.
Child,
you cannot believe this. I'm trying to contact them and their phones are off. Like seriously.
Never saw my face my toes. Get kako guy. Kaka shiba ni moyo wes.
Apanza.
What?
Shopping, Malays or something. That's my girl.
She don't get drunk easily. She can dance till 5 in the morning. No car, house or money. Can never get to change her mind on me. Yes, I.
Amana mota ya isiri ile matiri. Yeah, uyo.
Yeah, boss man.
Exactly. Mara mota ndiye chigangster je wise ndiye.
Ngani ngogara ndeta skill le basa.
Ita ture mari sha hapana.
Kuza kuna mwe munanga we pa post ore ndure mari.
Hapana obvious. Ndikwetu chinga.
Lord, the cocaine I get them off. Get them soft, get them soft. The cocaine I get them off. Get them soft, get them soft.
Bana wachoka mdara.
Uyu ana rasta uyu.
Ya ndio kurura chero re.
Wanotengesa chiko pana.
Vanenge vane cocaine.
But yapana wanapfuti ro mwacho.
Pane mwana Jadi anozogara nemoto.
Jadi asiye imboimba iri mfana.
Ndiwo pane theta sekuimba.
Ko wakapanduka sei?
Mazina mndana.
Kuti vanenge vane moto ati? Isusu vanotiziva here?
Vakukete.
Saka iwo uchitanga kutaura naye. Wangotaura naye chete. Isu tobva tangomubudira totamba takawanda.
Andosvikira kunestaira.
Takatraina
Lord, the cocaine I get them off. Get them soft, get them soft. The cocaine I get them off. Get them soft, get them soft. Get them soft, get them soft. The cocaine I get them off. Get them soft, get them soft. I wonder where your ambition gone.
Shura mdara hapana hawatapinda hataura hawatapinda hapana hamsini mune staff yo magazine link up ni staff mjambo
Tairi siwe tistoto msupplier jamani masina.
Bom choma staff nefso dengo deta matara wabo yetwa. Arasbana. Watu twari kusema tina
right. Amtomboterera ndizano. Amtomboterera ndi. Mira azigama zvenyu Zigama zvenyu. information yako yesa kai mwandiani je huyu mjara munaweza mjara huyu ndiani kitori ni yeye siziwe ramana mjara ndiye mfano wewe wakatiza abakana cheni zake manja azobika zana namba sasa azishande zozo aurinzwe wewe simula ande ayo mana ndini chatano andada mtatu wesele time after mitoto amana pinao anata jambo kamdara pinda Bona momo pinda mo kama sasa za matracks akilini yani ndani mapiri timdara ne brongo uyasuzoka okay awe atombozoka kana right ande naye mira mdara mira huyo wewe sana. Wewe naye bro. Ande. Wewe naye bro. Wewe naye. Bombara mandi. Apani pina ne mochigari andi. Tusanga na mbele. Wamdara.
Wala indara kanchere ne.
Wapenga mbara.
Iri ndera madhara rinoajenta rindoridari yora ndakambopinzisa munhu narokisi pacape town iwe
ndio mafegera yako
irakakitisa munhu kai
ndio mafegera
cheka iwo mdara yutman mchadvaiza iwo masina batwa kai
ndio mafegera
handi shapo ndio shapo ndoye kwawingidzike kuti takachinjana nechi soda necocaine gore remangoda
azakapo
nice
but ingarwe first timra
hapo ya iro rakutouya genga racho arakuya asarakuya boyiko shapa mungu abata sefi mijamani tambidze vanhu se kuzi ndima karwa smart amungazombofungidziro kuti tikupa vanhu zviri mafeki Hey, niggas!
Yeah, what's up, man? What's up? How's it going, man?
Nice.
What's up, nigga?
Man. How are you? Long time, man.
What's up, man?
Oh, my nigga, how are you?
How's it going?
Is it?
Good, man.
A long time, my nigga.
No, man. Everything just also good, man. Okay, man, we brought the money, man. Did you bring the items?
Yeah. Can we take the money?
Okay, show them the money, man. Show them the money.
Yeah, this is the real money. Yeah. Young man, bring the cocaine. You. Use your stuff.
Get money, man, now. Check it out, man. Just check it out. I told you, man. We go get paid with this thing, man. We got it, man. I told you, man. Check the items, man. Verify, man. Verify shit.
It's been a long day without you, my friend, and I'll tell you all about it when I see you again. We've come a long way from where we began. Oh, I'll tell you all about it when I see you again. When I see
My
you
brother,
again.
what have I done? So sorry, Sean.
Damn, who knew? All the planes we flew, good things we've been through. That I'll be standing right here talking to you about another path. I know we love to hit the road and laugh, but something told me that it wouldn't last. Had to switch up, look at things different, see the bigger picture. Those were the days, hard work forever pays. Now I see you in a better place. How can we not talk about family when family's all that we got? Everything I went through, you were standing there by my side, and now you gon' be with me for the last ride.
Father, forgive me for what I've done. Father, Lord, I'm a sinner.
Kwayo foni yashoni siri kuita andabvira kuitira makuseni kubva pabuda asati adya ndichiko adzima yapera moto here chiko. Ndari ndosozvona.
The Art of Deception. This has been the only book that made perfect sense to me. Why? Because it doesn't feed you bullshit about how you're gonna make it if you follow some fucking laws. The system in this world has been designed to keep the average man down and ignorant of what is happening. But for me, I've seen it all. Going against the system is the only way to break out of these mediocre chains. And him, my brother Sean, and my mother was the only reason I was doing this. I grew up in a family when things were tough. I started grinding and hustling in the streets so that I could get money, so that I could get to feed my family. But I didn't care how I got it. I indulged in illegal activities, and I killed a few men so that I could just get the money. And it got into my blood that I could never turn back. I was so used into doing this illegal stuff. I thought I was above the law. I felt way up, like I was the man gravity forgot to touch. $500,000 in my bro's pocket. It wasn't much, but it was a good place to start. But only God knew where this day would take me. Me, my money, and an unforeseeable catastrophe. This was just like two trains on the same rail, headed for a collision course. How did I end up here? Was it a series of random events, or was it just fate? Life on the edge thrilled me. Drug life brought me fast money, but was it worth it? Was it worth it killing myself? Was it worth it killing my little brother? And worse off, erasing that smile from my mom's face and replacing it with the unspeakable sorrow.
Hello. Estani akanjani? Kurisei komrora. Kurisei. Huh? Sean. Natsairisi. Rafa.
In a network of drug cartels stretching overseas. Atwell, also known to own several mines, appeared. This has been due to a body count of 5 men. They appear to have been killed by guns. This has been confirmed by a bystander who witnessed everything but withheld her name. Along with the corpse was a briefcase full of money totaling $500,000 and a large amount of cocaine, which left the police with one conclusion. It was a drug deal which went sideways and resulted in a bloodbath. One of the victims has been identified as Dean Massive, an ex-con, who was feared to be involved in a network of drug cartels stretching overseas. Atwell, also known to own several mines, appeared to be involved in such unspeakable activities. Victor had left home with the 2 in the afternoon, but failed to tell her sister where he was going. Who was known to run liquor stores and practice illegal activities. And also another teenage boy, only identified as Sean, has been caught. Terry has been reported to have shot himself. It seems he left a note before killing himself, and as it is up, he is the one who laid waste to the previously mentioned individuals before confessing and eliminating himself. Also, 3 musical artists identified as SB and Joe Magazine were caught red-handed today at Selborne Farm near Beatrice. After interrogation, it came out that they were in connection with the previously mentioned individuals. This is Natasha Aaron reporting for CNH News. Harare.
Unaona visi unaona matiri ana mawanza manje uzali matiri mfano matiri hapana shimuno
hapa ndo matiri
see
What was transport is it's a drug team. A long time we tell them stop that, but they didn't want. I don't care. Life goes on.
Money in the pile. Once you get a little, they just wanna take you down, cuz. I got the money in the pile. Once you get a little, they just wanna take you down, cuz. We've been going hard for too long. Can't get enough, what a shoe on. Really ain't nothing I could drop that. Wake up in the morning, make it all back. It's nothing to get it poppin', wanna roll. Roll up in the way, here we go. Now Martin had a dream, I've been dreaming about gold. Tell him I just wanna shine and I gotta let it show. Show up on the scene, walk right through the door. Got a nigga on repeat, it's my double up flow. Vibrate the whole building, name ringing through your phone. Waiting till the smoke clear, can you see me through the fog? Fall back, it could go all bad. We be going hard with your XO tic-tac. Tacky motherfuckers must not be hip. Yeah, life is a bitch, but I bet I get that bitch wet.